is a best-selling item from JBLeatherSupply. I don't sell any other products more, and it's the most highly reviewed product on the website. And although I've always made the natural vegetable tan forever belt, I hadn't always listed it on the website, but it's back. This nice heavy piece of vegetable tan leather becomes a strap like this. A strap like this becomes a belt like this. And this is where the magic begins, as we've talked in other videos about how vegetable tan leather works. Here's my belt after several years, and you can see the difference on how it's aged. We're going to get into some different things about vegetable tan leather today, and a little more details on the forever belt. The beauty of vegetable tan leather and why I like it so much, most of this stuff here is my personal use items. I use it on everything from strop, like this one, my belt obviously. Here's a couple of retired money clip wallets that I've made, and you can see the transition between the leathers. This only gets better and better as you use it. Inside we've got some of this wallet. This is the Kodiak in wood large wallet. There's some hand-dyed vegetable tan leather, some natural, and it just ages all differently. Here's another hand-dyed piece right here. What I like about it so much is we can get nice burnished edges like you see on this bifold wallet. And if you remember, a few videos back we did how I tanned my weekender bag. So here it is.